Right guys, just a quick review of Traffic Victory by Marc. Now, this is a sales page. Case study, how Marc builds free traffic machines that bring in 100 to 200 a day in passive affiliate commissions. Okay, 20 to 30 minutes a day. Let's have a look at the results. Thousands of targeted visitors. Traffic from one of Marc's free traffic machines. Okay, some sales. Now I have been through all the training, upsells, downsells, etc. Let me just go into the members area. Right, this is all about how Marc is doing review sites and review videos. Now there was a product launched last week, I think it was, on how another affiliate was using affiliate review videos, etc. to make some really good commissions, and this is kind of what Marc's doing. However, he's using more of the SEO side of it. He's actually ranking his pages on Google, so when all these big launches kick in, Marc is their number one for his reviews. And if people like his review, like his bonus, they're clicking through to using his affiliate link as opposed to another affiliate's link and buying through, and that's how he's making his commissions. Now it's the front end, it's 5 modules. The first module is basically an overview of the system and a case study showing his results, his website, everything. I must admit, Marc does expose everything. It probably exposes a little bit too much. You know, unfortunately people will start ripping his site and copying his site, but that's a risky take with launching products, I guess. Anyway, it's very thorough. There's also resources on the pages. We've even got a review template, even a 7-day SEO plan, so you can copy and follow along and keep applying. Once you've got it, basically, once you've got your website set up, which he goes in great detail about, from even uploading your files to buying domains, all that's covered. So if you've not built a website before, he does cover all that. But once you've got your site built and up and running, it's just a case of doing a review video, adding a bit of text and a few images and a bonus, and it's not that hard. I do want a review video sometimes every week, sometimes every 2 weeks. Okay, so final module is, let's pop through to the final module. Okay, that's his password protected. All these videos password protected for us. Password there, right. So goes on about how to rank all your his process of ranking his review sites, and it's working like gang. His techniques are working well. He's got a ton of proof of him showing his #1 results. He's showing his income proofs. He's an honest guy, you can tell it comes through. One thing I would say about these videos, some of them do go on a little bit long out, you know, like, Marc, get to the point, Marc, a little bit quicker. But yeah, it's honest, it's working for him, and he covers absolutely everything that he's doing. So he's opening himself up to a lot of competition to those that actually take who actually follow the system and actually put it into practice. Now the thing is, with review sites, you don't have as much competition because products come out all the time, and yes, you get evergreen products. You just actually go into about that, but there's not as much competition, especially if you're targeting say if you was targeting this product, Traffic Victory. So people are searching for Traffic Victory review, there'd be hardly any reviews out there. There are 3 upsells. The first one is case studies. So we've got case study 1, over $900 commissions on that promo, over $1,200 on that promo. So his techniques are working, guys. Over $1,200 on that promo. Now some of these commissions they're coming in all at once. Yes, his bulk will come in over the launch week. Yes, it will. A bulk of them will, but as you can see from that one, that's an evergreen product, and he's he's still bringing in income on a daily basis almost. And he also goes over one where he actually reused one of his case studies. He just reuses an old case studies curve. So somebody brought out, say, Traffic Victory, first version. They brought out Traffic Victory 2.0. He just put 2.0 in his review, and it's ranked for that as well. So you can reuse some of your reviews for relaunches of the same product. Then the second section of this same OTA is advanced training, and this is all about ranking, how he's ranking his channel and his YouTube videos for even more eyeballs on his offer. And OTA 2 is, well, I'll have to blur out some of these links now, but this is a done for you bonus packs. Basically, get bonuses, all bonuses and images. Now there's 15 bonuses you can use. They come with a video. And all the graphics, etc. There's all bonus products you'll have to upload to your site, etc. But out of the two OTAs, I'd go for the case study one. I think that's a lot more value. Yes, it's good to have bonuses you can offer your visitors, but there's plenty of other sites where you can get bonuses from, and I think some of these that I've looked at are a little bit outdated. And I always think having a unique bonus of your own, or your own twist on bonuses, you'll have better results. Anyway, that's my personal preference would be the first OTA. So you've got an extra traffic source, and you see his results and what's getting him results, which you can mimic. Okay. Now there is a third OTA, and that is resell rights to the whole funnel. I think that's $37 for the resale. The two OTAs are $27 each, both of them. So yeah, Marc's done a very good job. Like I said, I think a couple of the videos could be a bit quicker and straight to the point, but he's covered absolutely everything. So if you ever want to rank your websites and do these review type sites for affiliate marketing, I highly recommend his training.